Have you ever really stopped to think about what's flowing through your veins? I mean, really think about it. It's not just some red liquid, it's this bustling, incredible microscopic world. And today, we're going to meet the unsung heroes working around the clock inside of you to keep you alive.
No, really. Think about it. Inside you, right this second, there's a highly specialized team. We're talking couriers, guardians, and first responders, and each one has a totally critical job to do. So let's get to know them, shall we?
All right, so every good story has to start somewhere. To really understand our heroes, we first need to check out the world they live in. This amazing river flowing right inside you.
So, I want you to forget what you think you know. Blood is so much more than just a red liquid. It's a biological superhighway. It's the ultimate logistics system, responsible for delivering all the vital supplies and hauling away all the waste.
And where do all these incredible hero cells even come from? Well, every single one starts its life as this amazingly versatile stem cell. Just picture a brand new rookie recruit deep inside your bone marrow, just waiting to be given its specialized assignment.
Now, when you look at the actual makeup of your blood, one thing just immediately jumps out at you. A single type of cell makes up almost half of the total volume. And believe me, that is no accident. The reason why is pretty fascinating.
So what is this cell that's taking up all this real estate? Let's meet the first and, by far, the most numerous member of our internal team, the oxygen couriers.
Okay, so here's the fundamental problem your body is always trying to solve. Every single tissue you have is constantly, desperately crying out for oxygen. The solution? A massive army of super-efficient delivery specialists we call red blood cells.
Their mission is actually pretty simple, but it is absolutely vital. You can think of them like microscopic delivery trucks. They grab a full cargo of oxygen from the lungs, and then they race it out to every single corner of your body, from your brain all the way down to your big toe.
So how do they actually carry that precious cargo? Well, each red blood cell is packed with this special protein called hemoglobin. And you can think of it as a kind of iron-rich backpack that literally grabs onto oxygen molecules. Fun fact, it's the iron in this protein that gives blood its signature red color. Now, these little couriers, they work incredibly hard, and their shifts are long. After about 120 days, they're pretty much worn out and retired. And get this, your body is a non-stop factory, churning out about 2 million new red blood cells every single second, just to keep that oxygen flowing. Incredible, right?
All right, next up, let's meet the elite security force of your internal world. They might not be as numerous as the couriers, but trust me, their job is every bit as critical.
Okay, so the problem is constant. You've got bacteria, viruses, and all sorts of other foreign invaders trying to breach your defenses all the time. The solution is your body's own highly trained internal army, the white blood cells.
And this chart, wow, it just brilliantly illustrates their strategy. For every one white blood cell, there are something like 600 to 700 red blood cells. So yeah, they are heavily outnumbered, but they are unbelievably powerful and specialized for finding and destroying threats.
And this is a true special forces team we're talking about. You've got lymphocytes, they're like the intelligence agents creating antibodies. Monocytes are the cleanup crew, basically gobbling up germs. Eosinophils are your heavy artillery against parasites. Basophils, they sound the alarm during allergic reactions. And finally, neutrophils act as combat medics, healing damaged tissue.
Okay, so we've got oxygen delivery covered, and security is handled. But what happens when there's an actual physical breach in the system? You know, like when you get a cut?
When a blood vessel gets damaged, you've got a dangerous leak on your hands. Your body needs a fix, and it needs it right now. That's when it calls in the tiny, fast-acting repair crew known as platelets.
Their mission is totally straightforward. As soon as an injury is detected, they rush to the scene. They start sticking together, forming a plug, or what we call a clot, to instantly seal the leak from the inside and stop you from losing too much blood.
And talk about a high-turnover job. Platelets have this incredibly short lifespan of just 8 to 10 days. That's why our bodies have to be constantly producing them. And it's also why donated platelets have to be used within just 5 days.
So here's the crucial point. Like any good repair system, it is all about balance. If you have too few platelets, you risk abnormal bleeding. But if you have too many, that can cause dangerous excessive clotting. The body needs that perfect amount to function correctly.
Okay, so we've met all the individual heroes. Now let's bring it all together and see how this amazing team works in perfect concert to keep you alive and well every single second.
This table gives us such a clear, side-by-side look at our three heroes and their vital stats. You have the long-haul couriers, the specialized guardians, and that rapid response repair crew. Each one has a different job and a different lifespan, but they're all working together on the same team.
When you really boil it all down, this incredible team is constantly performing 3 critical missions for your survival. Number 1, they carry oxygen. 2, they fight off invaders. And 3, they stop bleeding and repair damage. You know, without any one of these functions, the entire system would fail.
And look, this isn't just fascinating biology. It has profound real-world importance. Every second, this team is working hard inside of you. But for patients who are undergoing surgery or cancer treatment or suffering from major trauma, their own team just can't keep up. A blood donation from a volunteer is often their only source for these life-saving cells.
So we'll leave you with this. You've met the microscopic heroes working tirelessly inside you. Their story is literally written in your veins. The only question left is, will you help write the next chapter in someone else's story?